I want to shift gears here and get into something else. Another ingredient I think in really high performing cultures is there's a delicate balance on like with delegation, right? Like high performers really hate to be micromanaged, but you don't want to delegate so much that you're in fact dumping on people where they're given more than they can handle and they drown, and you all of a sudden have a fire that needs to be put out. So Nestor, talk a little bit about what delegation looks like for you as a leader, how that exists within SolarWorks. Let's go there.
Yeah. So, I mean, the three things that I said I can't test for really are hard work, honesty, and working well with other people. But as soon as I find one of those people, I want them to go as far as they can in my company. I want them to go as high and as far as they possibly can. So what I like to start with is training, right? And tools. And basically giving this person all of the training, all the tools, all of my knowledge on the topic and the how to and how I would do it early on. And as soon as I can recognize it, as soon as I recognize somebody has these three character traits, it's like, we're going in, right? And usually if they have these three kind of assets, if you will, they can almost take on anything, right? With some coaching, right? With some hands-on. I've made a lot of mistakes of delegating too much, kind of casting a vision, hiring somebody and kind of throwing them at it. And they were they were the wrong person. They didn't have the right equipping. I got frustrated trying to equip them, and, we just got out of that initiative altogether. That's happened a couple times. But there's been a few people when we bring them on, I might bring them on for a task. So like I might start them off with the task, right? So, maybe I recruit somebody on a part-time basis. This is how our recruiting department started. Hey, there's this task I would like help with. It's pre-screening candidates. Can you do that? And then they do it very well. And I'm like, okay, that's interesting. So I'm seeing signs of hard work, honesty, right? And they work well. Like I can just kind of dish stuff off. So I'm gonna give them a little bit higher of a goal, right? See how well they do with that. Oh, maybe they don't do it as well. Now they need some coaching. Okay, let's try it again. They do it well. And then basically it's just kind of that process over time. But I'm looking to dish things off. Like that's a very key thing, right? Is that and maybe it's a personality type thing. I don't know. But I know like some business owners are very hands-on everything. Like they want to do everything in the business. And it's no surprises their businesses can't grow because they can't keep the kind of person they need to be able to dish stuff like that off. So I'm hungry. I'm always looking for people who want more and who are ready to take on the next step. People like I'm trying to see who might be close to getting good at their job. Because if they're getting good, they're going to be ready for the next thing pretty soon.